What if Tony Stark hugged Taylor Swift? Or Elon Musk kissed Bill Gates? Sounds impossible, right? Well, not anymore. I found an amazing AI tool that makes this possible, and it is completely free. This tool doesn't just allow you to create videos of hugging or kissing, but it also offers exciting features like videos of pets that sing.
Yeah, you got that, yeah.
Or talk.
Hello, this is Meow Meow, an AI Upskill employee.
Which is trending and racking up millions of views on TikTok. So in this video, I will guide you through the process of creating the same video. I bet you won't want to miss a second, so watch till the end. Welcome to AI Upskill. Let's get started. Introducing Dreamface AI, a perfect tool for video creation. This innovative tool offers an easy-to-use dashboard packed with exciting features.
You can create talking avatars like this.
Pet singing and talking videos. Additionally, the tool allows you to create entertaining hugging, kissing, and walking videos. The best part? Dreamface AI is available on multiple platforms, including iOS, Android, and the web. In this tutorial, we will look at the web version of Dreamface AI. To get started, simply click the link in the description and sign in with your Google account. Let's start with the pet video feature. To begin, choose one of the pet images shown below. Once you've chosen, go to the right panel. This panel provides a wide range of music to choose from. Take your time browsing the alternatives and choose the song that best meets your needs. For this example, I'll use this specific music. After finalizing your selections, click the Generate button. At this point, Dreamface AI will start the process of creating your video. This generation may take some time, so we can skip ahead to the result. As you can see, our video is ready. Click here to download the video. Here's a preview of it.
Don't you want me like I want you, baby?
The preview is short and edited to avoid copyright issues. Let's create a pet talking video. The process is the same as before. This time I'll upload an image of a pet that I created using AI. It is important that the pet in the image is either a dog or a cat and looking directly at the camera. After uploading the image, you can enter the text you wish the pet to speak to. Next, you will have the option to choose from a range of voices available here. Alternatively, if you have an audio file that you want to use, you can easily upload it from here. So for now, I will use this option. Simply click the Generate button. Dreamface AI will start generating your video. So let's skip the generation process. As you can see, our video is ready. Click here to download the video. Here's a preview of it.
Hello, this is Balbo, an AI Upskill employee. I always make sure that all pets feel safe in the office.
Now let's explore the AI video feature, but before that, I just saw that 97% of you guys have not yet subscribed to my channel. So please like this video and subscribe to the channel. You can see some of the templates here, such as Santa, kissing, cheering, melting, and many more. To start creating your video, upload an image from your device. If you want to make a hugging or kissing video, make sure the image contains 2 people. Next, click on Effects. There are several effects available to enhance your video. Take your time deciding which one best fits your image. For this example, I will use the hug effect. Now, simply click the Generate button. So, let's skip the generation process and see our video is ready. Here's a preview of the video we created. It looks extremely realistic and amazing. Now let's create another video using the walking effect. The process is the same as before. Start by navigating to the AI video feature. From here, upload an image. It is important that the image include only one person. Once you've uploaded your image, click on the Effects section and select the walk effect. Now simply click the Generate button. To save time, I'll skip the generation process. And see, our video is ready. Here's a preview of the video we created. It looks like the person in the image is genuinely moving. Now let's explore the avatar video feature. It allows you to take any photo along with either text or an audio file and turn them into a talking avatar. You can start by uploading a photo of yourself or an avatar image. Additionally, you can choose an existing pre-made avatar from here. I'm going with this one, so select the one you want. Next, you can add your desired text from here and select a voice from a list of options provided here. Alternatively, if you have an audio file that you want to use, you can easily upload it from here. So for now, I will use this option. Once you've completed all of the settings, simply click the Generate button. Dreamface AI will start generating your video, so let's skip the generation process. As you can see, our video is ready. Click here to download the video. Here's a preview of it.
Hello, this is Rachel, an AI Upskill employee. I always make sure that our viewers get replies to their comments as soon as possible. So come join our growing community by subscribing to the channel.
And that wraps up our tutorial. Dreamface AI is an amazing video creation tool. It offers popular features such as pet videos, viral hugging and kissing videos, and AI talking avatars that can engage viewers. Dreamface AI is definitely worth trying out because it provides a wide range of features in a single AI tool. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to AI Upskill. My goal is to deliver you with the best and most latest AI tools. Let me know in the comments which feature you are most excited to try, and I will see you in the next video.